up, vapors? Welcome to Asian Vapors Review. My name is Adrian Lo Deja Vu. Okay, in this video today, Vape Sourcing sent me this iStick Pico 21700 box mode kit set for review. So without wasting our time, let's just take a look more closer about these things, guys.
The thing goes
Hey yo, what is up, vapors? This is the iStick Pico 21700 box mode packaging. It says compatible with 21700 and 18650 battery. Inside the packaging, you will receive one warning card and another card, grey color card, HW series coil using reference. They show you the details about the coils. One ELLO atomizer. The cute Eleaf box mode. Extra one Firex glass tube cover with the plastic. One USB cable for you to charge the phone, and I really have no idea what is these things. One extra sub-ohm coil HW1C 0.2 ohm 25 until 50 watt. Eleaf production. And the 18650 battery extension. Little bit accessories such as the drip tip, O-rings and the extension. Eleaf ELLO user manual. Eleaf iStick Pico 21700 user manual. There are so many things inside this packaging, guys. So this is how the box mode looks like. Open this way, and let's try to insert the 21700 battery. Put it like this. The minus is at the top. Here got the sign right here, minus. Close it, and there is a power button right here. You're gonna see underneath right here there is a minus and plus button and the venting hose for the battery. USB port. Maximum wattage for this box mode is 100 watt. Press 5 times. 1 2 3 4 5. Turn off. 1 2 3 4 5. Turn on. 1 2 3. You can choose bypass. 1 2 3. Nickel. 1 2 3. Titanium. 1 2 3. Stainless steel. M1. M2. M3. 100 watt. It's a little bit slow if you want to adjust the setting, because you need to press 3 times repeatedly. Many times only you will come back to the wattage mode. You press the power button and the plus button like this longer, it will come into this setting. So take a look, guys. There are so many things you can choose. Puff, time, M like this. And this is a self mode. And this one, power, duration, exit, logo, on and off, V. Okay, show you all the things right here. Voltage 3.44 volt, and go back. You press the power button and the minus button. There is nothing happen. You press the minus button and the plus button together. Key lock. That means you just only can fire, but you can't adjust the wattage. So you press these two buttons again, longer. Key unlock. Okay, so now you can adjust the wattage. About this atomizer, okay, it's a 810 drip tip. Push to insert your flavor like this. Adjustable 2 sides of airflow, 1 and 2. It writes ELLO at the back. Gold plated 510 pin. Twist to open. Twist this coil head if you want to change the coil heads. There are 2 coil heads available, HW2 and HW1C. 0.3 ohm, 30 until 70 watt, dual cylinder. HW1C, 0.25 ohm, 20 until 50 watt, single cylinder. They call it cylinder. So it looks like this. I'm gonna use the single cylinder. Put it right here. Twist it. Insert the DJV E-Juice Mango-licious. So this is my own flavor. You all can try it, guys. Just drip in at the cotton like this. Make it wet, make it horny. Let it absorb. Directly close this cap back on like this. Push it right here and insert your flavor at the top. Push it back. Insert into the box mode like this. Put on the drip tip. Wait for around 1 minute and then fire around 33 watt, guys. It's a 77mm in height from this section until this section, 51mm in length, and 25mm in width. About this iStick Pico 21700, okay, you can insert 2 types of battery compatible with 21700 and 18650 battery. It's only a single battery box mode. Came with the ELLO atomizer. Adjustable airflow. Dual side of airflow is a 810 drip tip, you know, because of the sub-ohm coil heads, but you cannot pump up over than 100 watt. There are 2 types of coil head inside this packaging. I'm using this. This is the 20 until 50 watt only. So now currently I just hitting on 33 watt, 0.23 ohm. At the coil heads right here, it writes 0.25 ohm, and at the indicator right here, 0.23 ohm, 33 watt. Let's just try. Smooth! Marvelous, guys! I use this flavor. You all gonna try this flavor, guys. Don't miss out this flavor. You all can try to search at heavengift.com. I just sent to them this flavor. They are selling my flavor also. TJV Mangolicious Deja Vu E-Juice. You pump inside this atomizer, the flavoring. So about this box mode, there is nothing much I can tell you all. It's a 100 watt box mode, maximum 100 watt with single battery. This small, not that big, is compact, it's for the starter kit. For the new user, the cons for this atomizer is these things, okay, these things. When you twist the atomizer, it's a spring-loaded 510 connector. So when you twist this atomizer into the end, these things will block the airflow. I don't know why, you see. You see the air? These things just block it a little bit. It's because about the thread. You close it until the end, it will become like this. So this motherfucker are selling very cheap only. It's currently selling at vape sourcing for just only 50 USD, you know, guys. Starter kit, it's good for you all. Starter kit. There are 6 types of colors available: greenery, silver, brushed silver, black, grey, and pink color. You know lah, iStick they like to make pink. Pink. Seems like a nipple. So net weight for this motherfucker without the battery, 400 gram. This is not suitable for the tricksters, for the pro users, for the people that want to build their coil themselves. This is not the mode for you. But for the starter kit, you can choose this. It depends on which country, okay? Some country they like to use the OCC coils, sub-ohm coil heads. It's easy for you all because your country, the cigarette is very expensive. You directly change the sub-ohm coil heads, it's more cheaper than you buying a cigarette. Mostly from the Europe side lah. But no worries, guys. If you like this box mode, you don't like this atomizer, you can take off this ELLO atomizer and you insert other atomizer as you like, such as dripper, this DG flavor mesh pro RDA. Oh, the color is so fucking mesh. The Waterfall Serpent SSM also not bad. Like this, see, Serpent SSM. There is no problem you changing the atomizer, but for me, I suggest you use back this ELLO atomizer because the flavoring is fucking superb, guys. The flavoring is so crazy. 99.9% you will feel the flavoring. It's really no kidding. It's because of the sub-ohm coil heads. So that's all that I'm gonna tell you about this Eleaf Pico 21700 box mode. Again, please remember you all can get this product at vapesourcing.com for only 50 USD. I'm not sure the price will increase or decrease. Now it's currently selling at the website. It's just only 50 USD. I'll see you all at my next videos again. Arigato, kamsahamnida.
The thing goes skitty keep and I put boom boom skia boom boom. You don't know. Talk, they legend. Come on.